Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create a table in Affinity Designer. So let us get started. Head over to your design or project on Affinity and switch from vector to layout first. What you want to do after that is navigate to a blank page, or you can stay also on this one here if you like, but I'm going to use this blank page here. What you want to do after that, guys, is here from the Layout Studio on the left hand side, you may navigate to the table tool, click into it and position the default table by drawing a rectangle like this. So you may resize the table, and if you hold your left mouse and resize it like this, you may add more rows and columns to it using that method. But there's also another method, and we're going to show you how to do that in another tutorial. So release your left mouse to position the table, and as you can see, if I zoom in, there is that table here. You can position it, resize it, and double click into the cells to fill them with content. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.